The number of deaths due to prescription drug side effects and long-term impacts more than tripled. And guess which part of the world ranked the highest in mortality rates? North America. This means that despite all the advancements in medicine and technology, prescription and over-the-counter drugs are less safe for the millions of Americans taking them today. Behind this statistic are real people, real stories, and real lives that have been impacted. We should be able to trust that every medication, prescription or over-the-counter, brand name or generic, meets the highest standards of safety, in the same way that we trust that our banks keep our money safe, or that our cars' safety features operate the way they should. Just think. 2,000 manufacturing labs that haven't been inspected in over 5 years still have drugs on the market. These are the kinds of oversight gaps we're calling to change. MedShadow exists as a public service. We're a nonprofit organization that operates free of any pharmaceutical funding or influence. Every dollar you donate to MedShadow supports our efforts to increase transparency and advocacy for safety and efficacy. It helps us spread the word about side effects and provide you with additional tools to live a healthy life. We know that when we speak up and advocate for transparency and safety, we can push the needle forward together. Follow our campaign link to make a donation today.